Happy morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed Pythagoras property. Using the same property, here we are going to do one more problem. Before that, recall the property. In a right angle triangle, square on the hypotenuse equal to sum of squares on the legs. We have to square of hypotenuse side. After that, we have to squaring each and every leg's measurement. Then we have to add both of it. A square equal to B square plus C square. A square is the hypotenuse side. B and C are the legs of the triangle, that is remaining side. A square, which is equal to multiply A 2 times, A into A. First sum, the diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 cm and 30 cm. Find its perimeter. Here they have given a measurement of diagonals. Already you have learned the word diagonals. Diagonal is a straight line which is come from one corner to opposite corner. Diagonal is a straight line which comes from one corner to the opposite corner. From one corner to the another opposite corner. Here we are having a rhombus figure. In that, first draw the diagonal. One diagonal is 16, another one 30 cm. You can see here both the diagonals are intersecting at the center. Both the diagonals are intersecting at the center. When intersecting, the diagonals are dividing equally. Diagonals are dividing equally. So, we are splitting the measurement to both the sides. First one 16 cm, the whole diagonal. The full diagonal is 16 cm, but this vertical line is dividing the horizontal line. Vertical line is dividing the horizontal line at the middle, that is intersecting. So, we are splitting the measurement equally. 16, 8, 8. 8 is the left side, another 8 is the right side. Next, vertical line measurement is 30 cm. Here also same thing. The horizontal line is dividing the vertical line. So, 30 dividing into two parts. 15, 15. One 15 is the top of the diagonal. Another 15 is bottom of the diagonal. Now, look at your figure. You are having 15, 8 is a right angle. You can see a right angle in all the four sides. We are having four right angles here. The measurement 15 and 8, the hypotenuse side are unknown. We have to find hypotenuse side using Pythagoras property. After that, we have to find perimeter of this rhombus. Now, take the triangle 15 cm, 8 cm and then take hypotenuse side as m. What is your property? A square hypotenuse square equal to legs square sum of B square and C square. A is the hypotenuse side. We are having m square, remaining B 15 square, C 8 square. Write m square as it is. 15 square, 15 into 15, 225. 225 plus 8 into 8 is 64. 225 is 15 square. 64 is 8 square. Then we are adding 225 plus 64. You will get 289. 289. Look at the rough side. 17 into 17 you will get 289. 17 into 17 289. So we can conclude m equal to 17 centimeter. M equal to 17 centimeter. You have to multiply the same number to check the squaring. 17 into 17 289. Now you are having hypotenuse side is 17. You are having 4 right angle with 4 hypotenuse. So 17 centimeter in all the 4 sides. What is the perimeter formula? Sum of all side. Sum of all side. So here we are adding all the 4 side 17 centimeter. We are getting 68 centimeter. We are getting 68 centimeter. Hence, the perimeter of rhombus is 68 centimeter. First, we have split the measurement of diagonal equally. After that, we consider only one right angle, used Pythagoras property to find hypotenuse side. Using that hypotenuse, we found the perimeter of rhombus. Clear? Now, this is your homework problem. Here you are having perimeter of rectangle. Length is given, one diagonal is given. Next, another property, sum of length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of third side. If we add any two sides of a triangle, that total must be greater than the third one. Here you are having 3 possible ways. You have to add any two side and check which is either greater or less than the third side. You have to check all the 3 possible ways. Now, your problem is it possible to have a triangle with the following side? 6, 3, 7. 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter. You have to check all the 3 possible ways. Alternatively, 6 plus 3 you will get 9. What is the remaining side? 7. Total is 9, which is greater than the third side 7 centimeter. Next, other alternative, 3 centimeter plus 7 centimeter equal to 10. Total 10 greater than third side 6. Another possible, 6 plus 7 equal to 13 greater than third side 3. Here we are adding two sides and checking the third side either is less than or greater than the total. We have to check all the 3 possible ways, then we have to conclude the solution. Here greater than 7, greater than 6, greater than 3. All the possible ways are greater than the third side. So, these sides are possible to have a rectangle. These sides are possible to have a triangle. These given sides are possible to have a triangle. Clear? Now, the same property, one more problem, 2 centimeter, 3, 5. First possible, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Third side also 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5 centimeter. Third side also 5. Here you are getting 5 equal to 5. 5 equal to 5. Then next possible, 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 3 plus 5 equal to 8 greater than third side 2. Third possible, 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 2 plus 5 equal to 7 greater than 3. Here you are having first possible way, phi equal to phi. But what's the property? Any two sides of triangle greater than the third side. So, this measurement will not form a triangle. This measurement will not form a triangle because one possible way is not true. Phi equal to phi. It is false. So, these sides are not possible to have a triangle. Clear? It is like a trial and error method. You have to do trial. If you get error, we can conclude not possible. Clear? Here you are having one homework problem. After that, we are moving to a theorem. AM is the median of a triangle ABC. Already we have seen about median. It is a perpendicular line. Will meet at a midpoint of triangle. It is a straight line will meet at the midpoint of another side. AM is a median of triangle ABC. We have to check AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM. First, you are drawing the triangle ABC, then median AM. Here, we are going to consider two triangles. You can see ABM is one triangle, another one ACM. ABM, ACM. Here we are going to consider the two triangles. First one ABM. The same property, sum of length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Sum of length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of third side. In each and every triangle, we will have three possible ways. But here we are looking the given proof. AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM. In the right side, we are having AM. We are having AM. For that, we are taking remaining two sides AB plus BM. By comparing with the given statement, we are taking AM in the right side, then remaining two sides are left. AB plus BM greater than AM. AB plus BM greater than AM. Same thing, here also we are taking the AM at right side. Remaining AC plus MC. AC plus MC greater than AM. Now, we are adding step 1 AB plus BM greater than AM, step 2 AC plus MC greater than AM. We are adding step 1 and step 2, getting AB plus BM plus MC plus AC greater than AM plus AM. We are adding both sides. Now, look at that. You are having AB, AC. In your question, you are having AB, BC, CA. But here, you are having AB, AC. Now, what is the remaining? BM plus MC. BM plus MC. Look at your diagram. BM plus MC. What will you get? BC. BM is one part, another one MC. The total line is BC. Total line BC. So, AB plus BC plus AC greater than 2AM. Here, CA, AC both are same. AB plus BC plus AC greater than AM plus AM, 2 times AM. What is your question? Is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM? Yeah, AB plus BC plus AC greater than 2 am. Hence proved. Thank you, students.